All right, so step 400, we're going to get started with our JavaScript application, web-based application. Exciting step. We're going to learn about different things about the DOM, the document object model, and the BOM, the browser object model, and how we can use those things to manipulate a web page via JavaScript, and how to utilize things such as event listeners and create elements and inject HTML directly into the DOM via JavaScript. To make things a little interesting, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use animate.css so that we actually don't have to just stare at static elements on the page. We want to make this exciting and interesting, and so we'll end up using some animate.css as well. One thing that we'll learn through this is that the funny thing is there won't really be much HTML on the page at all. It'll all be done through our JavaScript. And in our JavaScript, we're going to learn about variables and how we can populate those variables. Like I said, we're going to learn about event listeners and how we can use those event listeners to trigger off functions, which functions will hold a code block that will be executed when called. We'll do things like manipulate the document title object, which is inside the DOM, how to apply styles to objects inside the DOM, how to create objects inside the DOM, and how to build those objects and put additional information in each one of those objects. And then lastly, we'll also learn how to assign classes to objects as well dynamically. Fun project, kind of a long video to get started, but 30 some minutes, that's kind of long. I get it. The future steps, the videos will be broken down more. We'll do more commits and merges in midstream in our projects, but for now we do include a couple commits. And of course, we create the branch initially, and we do our work on the branch, and then we merge it into master, and we push it to production. One of our primary objectives is to get as close to a real-life scenario as possible. So, look forward to working with you in step 400, and we'll get going right now.